Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, in today's video, I have a purse unboxing and I'm so looking forward to unboxing this one. Oh my gosh, okay. Wait until you guys see this. This is the perfect summer bag and I get that it's already August and we're gonna be going into fall and winter. It's so sad. Summer is just so short here and I just want to get the most use out of this bag that I can until the end of the summer, and I'm likely going to be using this all summer next year because it is that amazing. So this is one of those videos, if you know you know, and if you don't, definitely check me out on Instagram, give me a follow, and send me a DM with all the questions that you may have. And also, if you guys are not following me on Patreon, I do this kind of content on Patreon 24/7. This is all I do on Patreon. So if you want more videos just like this, but a little bit more detailed and a little bit more personable, then definitely check out my Patreon. I have a free trial going on right now if you guys are interested. And lastly, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into the unboxing, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, it's right here. This is the box. I am so excited to unbox this for you guys. So if you guys are wondering, I did get this from ogbags.ru and I am looking so forward to finally using this. So this is the D-Lite bag and okay. We're gonna open this together. We're in this together. We're gonna open this together. This is how it comes. It was packaged really well. It really protected. The box and everything is perfect. There's no dents in it or anything. It was definitely very secure. This also did come super fast. It came by UPS, I believe. So it came within a few days. Okay, we're gonna open this up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the beautiful dust bag that it comes with. Very nice. And it has a drawstring top. It did come with all the packaging, if you guys were wondering. It didn't just come with the box. It came with a whole bag and everything. I'll show you guys in a second, but I just want to show you the bag really quickly and then I'll go over what it came with. So this is how it comes. Are we ready for the big reveal, you guys? Are we ready? Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful color. Oh, I love this. It is so gorgeous. So this is the D-Lite bag and it is perfect summer color. Oh my gosh. I could just like picture, you know, going to Greece with this and like being on a yacht and having this bag and it like matching the water around there. Oh, it is so pretty. Okay, so let me just, before we get into unboxing the whole bag, I just want to go over what this actually came with. So it does actually come with the shopping bag right here, which I should have probably put the box in the shopping bag, but I wasn't thinking that far ahead. But it does come with this. It comes with the ribbon. So you can actually turn this into an amazing gift for someone. You can wrap it around with the ribbon. And of course it comes with all the paperwork as well right here. That's enough of that. We're gonna get into the bag. I am actually kind of familiar with the sizing of this because I do have a lady one in medium, but I don't have the D-Lite version. We're gonna take all of this off the packaging.
1 hour later.
Okay, you guys, that is how the hardware looks without all of the foam on it. That's what the handles look like. I am so excited to finally be able to use this bag. I did keep this on because we will unbox that part together because that is like the whole charm thing. But yeah, this is the overall bag. Oh my goodness, it is so nice. You guys, like, I wish you guys could feel this through the screen. It's luxurious, and it's just so, like, it's made so well, and I just cannot wait to use this. So let's take this part off together. It does come with its little dust bag, which is the cutest thing, and all of the charms and stuff are wrapped. So that's what they look like. This hardware is absolutely stunning. It is a really beautiful color. It's almost like a champagne silvery color, if that makes sense. Look at how shiny that hardware is. It is so gorgeous. So that is the bag. It does have feet. If you guys were wondering, it does have feet at the bottom. And then let's just go over the interior. So it doesn't have a zipper or anything like that, but it does have this flap in the middle. So you can just pull this part out like so, and then you can access the inside of your bag. It does come stuffed. So it has that to keep its shape and all that. And then the inside matches the outside absolutely perfectly. It does come with an authenticity card on the interior. So it does come with one zipped pocket and then one kind of just like regular pocket. I'll try to show that to you. So that is the interior right here. So it matches the exterior absolutely perfectly. This actually does kind of remind me of the book tote, where the pattern and everything continues on to the inside of the bag. How amazing is that? So you do have a compartment back here with a zipper. You can put your wallet and keys in there if you want, and then you have this pocket on the other side. Sorry, this is a bit hard to show you on camera, but it does have this pocket on this side that is actually pretty spacious, that you can put anything else in there to kind of organize your bag a bit. And yeah, I love the fact that this one has feet, because I would not want to ruin this material by putting this on the ground anywhere or anything like that. So this bag is absolutely stunning. I love the color. I think this is the perfect color for me. It goes with a lot of my outfits that I have. I think that this would go perfect with black or like a white dress. So like a black dress that I'm wearing right now, it would look really nice with. It also would look really nice with a long flowy white dress. Ugh, so cute. And it also comes with a long strap. So if you guys were wondering, it does come with a long strap as well. I am not the type of person that carries handbags like this with a long strap, but I am gonna show you how it looks like with that, just, you know, for the glamour shot. And so you guys can see what the strap looks like. So it's actually very nice. So it has the branding here on the interior of the strap, and then the exterior matches the bag absolutely perfectly. It does have that same really pretty hardware as the clasp. And then we're gonna go ahead and attach this to the bag. I'm pretty sure one of them goes on the back and one of them goes on the front, if that makes sense. And I'm not gonna be wearing this with the strap, but I just wanna show you how you can. All right, so I have the strap on right now, so it looks like this, and you can wear it just like this, long-wise. Oh, it is super long. Okay, so this is how it looks like on me. It kind of hangs pretty low with a long strap, which I'm not a huge fan of, so I will carry it just like this. I'll carry it by the handles. I think that looks so cute. I absolutely love this bag. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how cute it looks with black. I love it. So that is how the bag looks all put together. Let's look at it one last time just to show you guys like some mod shots of the bag if you're wondering how it looks up close and all that. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to finally use this. I can't wait. So that's it right there. I know you guys love items from this brand. I know, because you guys ask me all the time. It's so hard to find pieces like this. It's really hard to find pieces like this. So I am actually very happy with it. I will be taking off this strap though. But yeah, this is exactly how I'm going to be wearing this bag all summer long, and I cannot wait. So it's going to hold everything for me. Honestly, it's going to hold all of my essentials plus my phone. I always say this in all of my purse review videos. If it holds holds my phone, I'm happy. So I have a lot of smaller bags. I have a lot of nano size and mini bags, and they never hold my phone, and it gets kind of annoying because I have to always have my phone in my hand. So when I get bags like this and I can actually put my phone inside, I am happy, and I am just so in love with this color and with this design. I love the tigers on the front, and there's one on the back as well. I just love that. And I just love the overall color of this. It just reminds me of a tropical vacation. So that is my unboxing for the D-Lite bag from OG Bags. And I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you guys, like I mentioned, if you guys want more videos like this and videos like this 24/7 for me, definitely check me out on Patreon. There's going to be a full review of this bag as well on Patreon. So definitely go there and give me a follow, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye!
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made yours.